Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Heeneman, and I'm here today to talk to you about spinach. There's actually 3 different varieties of spinach. There's Savoy spinach, semi-Savoy spinach, and smooth leaf spinach. Savoy spinach has really crinkly leaves. Semi-Savoy spinach is somewhere in between the two, and it's slightly easier to clean. And then there's smooth leaf spinach, which I have here, and you can see it has a really smooth leaf. And this is a favorite of manufacturers because it's easier to clean, so they like to use it in frozen and canned products. Smooth leaf spinach is really what we would find at the grocery store. There's a lot of different ways to eat spinach. Of course, we all know about spinach salads, but spinach is also a great addition to casseroles or soups, or you can even use spinach to replace half of the basil in pesto sauce. And finally, don't forget about adding spinach to smoothies. It's a great addition because it adds a lot of nutrition. And if you use a small amount at first, it won't alter the flavor. Just be sure to start small and then slowly increase it over time as you get used to the taste. A serving size of spinach for kids is roughly 2 cupped handfuls, which is equivalent to 1 cup of spinach. Adults need to eat twice as much. And the serving size for spinach is higher than it is for other vegetables because when you put spinach into a serving, right, there's lots of air, so it doesn't pack down as tightly. There are lots of different reasons to eat spinach. It is super nutritious. It's an excellent source of vitamin K and vitamin A. An excellent source of the nutrient means it has 20% of the daily amount for that nutrient. Spinach is also a good source of vitamin C and folate. A good source of a vitamin or mineral means that it has 10% or more of that daily requirement for the nutrient. In addition, spinach contains fiber, potassium, magnesium, vitamin B6, iron, and calcium. Let's learn a little bit more about the mineral magnesium. In the body, magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, and it also is involved in energy production. Magnesium is involved in more than 300 different biochemical reactions. Good sources of magnesium include green leafy vegetables such as spinach, almonds, yogurt, whole grains, and salmon. Spinach grows mostly in California and Texas. It's a cool weather crop, and it's an annual plant that grows best in cool, damp climates. So along the coast of California, you can see a lot of spinach growing. When you're purchasing spinach in the store, you want to find leaves that are really dark in color and that smell fresh and that are crisp. So you can snap it and it should be crisp in texture. You don't want to pick any leaves that have a yellow color or that seem to be wilted. And the sweetest spinach will actually have the thinnest stem. So if you look at the stem, the sweeter spinach is going to have a thinner stem. So this has a thicker stem and this has a little bit of a thinner stem. Now let's learn some fun facts about spinach. Spinach was the first frozen vegetable that was sold for commercial use. Spinach really became popular because of Popeye. The cartoon Popeye debuted in 1929. And after it debuted, spinach became the 3rd most popular food for kids after turkey and ice cream. And finally, spinach is 90% water. So when it grows in the ground, these leaves shoot out, and 90% of these leaves are water. Thanks for learning with us.